Hello students. Today our topic is parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is very important for NEET examination because there are so many doubts. What is the meaning of parthenocarpic and parthenogenesis? Parthenocarpic is for plants, parthenogenesis occurs in animals mostly. So now we will start parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. So parthenos means virgin, genesis means produce. I took this produce means birth. So virgin birth is the direct meaning of parthenogenesis. It is derived from the Greek, and this parthenogenesis was discovered in the year 1745 by Charles Bonnet. This is a discovery of parthenogenesis. Okay, where does this parthenogenesis occur? Parthenogenesis occur in invertebrate and also in the vertebrates. So what are the examples we are going to give for invertebrates? Invertebrates, first one, it is rotifers. This is an aquatic organism, multicellular organism. It is also called wheel animals because the mouth of the rotifers has numerous cilia. Its movement is looking like a wheel. So we are saying that rotifers is also called wheel animals or wheel animalcules. It belongs to the rotifer phylum. Second one, the example it is from arthropod. This is also the phylum arthropod. It has many examples. Number one, crustaceans like Apus, Cypis. These are all some of the examples for crustaceans. We know the meaning for crustacean. It's a hard-shelled animals. Number two, from the arthropod, it is directly from the insecta. This is not the phylum, it's a class variety. In the insecta, bees, wasp, weevils, gayflies. These are all some of the examples. And other example from the arthropod again, it is arachnid. So we know that spiders are the good example for the arachnids, and we can include mites also in the same category. So these are all the examples from the arthropod. And now we have the example from the vertebrata. The examples for parthenogenesis occur in the vertebrata are Lacerta, Saxicola, or Menica. Ormenica, it is a location. From this we are giving the name for the Lacerta saxicola is an organism. Another one example, it is Typhlina brahmina. Okay, this is a lizard variety. This is a small Indian snake. This lizard variety, it is a rock lizard variety. And this Typhlina brahmina, it is a very small snake of India.